Hello guys, I am Samir from ACM Student Chapter IIT ISM Dhanbad, and today we will be discussing question number C of Code Forces round 651 Div 2. So let us first go through the question. Ashish Group and Fastest Finger play a game. They start with a number n and plays in turn. They can only make two moves. Either divide n by any of its odd divisors or subtract 1 from n. Okay, so the player who is unable to make a move loses the game, and Ashish Group makes the first move. Okay, so now let's go through the explanation part. Firstly, you could clearly see there are two base cases for this. When n equals to 1, there is no move to make, and Ashish Group will lose as he is to move first. Next, for n equals to 2. For n equals to 2, fastest finger. For n equals to 2, Ashish Group will make the first move and subtract 1 from it, and hence fastest finger have no other move to make and he will lose. Okay. Now we will see. Now there are two cases when n is odd and n is even. So when n is odd, as we already know that a number is a divisor of itself. So when n is odd, Ashish Group will directly divide n by n itself. So it will become equals to 1, and fastest finger will have no move to play. Next, when n is even. For n equals to even, n must be of the form 2 की power k into m. Okay, and m is an odd number that you must know. Okay, now when k is greater than 1, there are two cases which will move under this. When k is greater than 1, k equals to 1. Let us first discuss for k greater than 1. If under this we have to also have two other cases, when m equals to 1 and when m not equals to 1. For m equals to 1, okay, i.e. n is purely of the form 2 की power k. Ashish has no other way other than to do -1, and as he do -1, n will become odd and the fastest finger will directly divide it by n, and hence Ashish will lose. Now the second case, when m is not equals to 1, then Ashish will divide the number by m. So n will become 2 की power k, and now fastest finger will have no other way than to subtract 1. So now when he subtracted 1, n will become odd, then Ashish will divide it by n itself and he will win. Okay, so this is our first case. Here's the implementation of this. I will explain to you it later. We will see now the second case, when k equals to 1, i.e. when n equals to 2 into some number m. Okay, so let's say m is when we do the prime factorization of m, k being k is one prime factor and all the others, let's say that would be r. Okay, so m would be of the form k into r. So firstly, Ashish Group will divide n by r. Okay, so now it would have now for the fastest finger there are two ways, either he divided by k or by -1. Okay, so if we do -1, then the number n will become odd and Ashish will win from it, as already I have told you before. Or else, if we divide it by k, then n will become 2, and again Ashish will win, as we have seen in the base case. Okay, so this is the case when n is not a prime number. If m is a prime number, then there is only one way, either Ashish will divide it by that number m, so n will become of the form 2 की power k, and if it is of the form 2 की power k, Or else if m is a prime number, then Ashish will divide it by m and it will become 2. So when it becomes 2, fastest will do just -1 and Ashish will have no chance to play and hence he will lose. So fastest will win if m is prime number, or else Ashish will win. So now let's see our code. Okay, so here is our best case. When n equals 1, fastest finger will win. N equals to 2, or when n is odd, Ashish will win. I have already told you how. Okay, now for the even part. This one goes for when k is greater than 1. Okay, so when k is greater than 1, we just find m by dividing n by 2 k. So if now m is equals to 1, then fastest finger will win, else Ashish will win. I have already told you how. Now when k is equal to 1, this case goes for k equals to 1. For k equals to 1, we divide n by 2 to get the number m. Now we will check it for prime number. If it is a prime number, then fastest finger will win, else Ashish will win. I have checked it. I have made a vector vi through sieve, which you all must know. Okay, I have just pushed back it through a vector, all the prime numbers till 10 to the power 5. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.